A channel full of knowledge like never before.
Have you ever thought over the methods financial professionals employ to predict a company's future performance? Well, the secret lies within the realm of financial modeling. This process is a mathematical representation of a company's financial performance. It's akin to creating a detailed financial blueprint, usually via a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel, that projects future financial performance based on historical data, assumptions, and a variety of financial scenarios. Now, financial modeling is not a one-trick pony. It encapsulates a plethora of analyses. First off, we have budgeting and forecasting. This involves predicting future financial performance based on historical trends and assumptions about upcoming economic conditions, market factors, and business strategies. Next up, there's valuation. Here, the value of a company, project, or investment opportunity is estimated using techniques like discounted cash flow analysis, comparable company analysis, or precedent transactions analysis. Then we have capital budgeting. This process evaluates investment opportunities and capital expenditure decisions by scrutinizing their potential return on investment, payback period, internal rate of return, and other financial metrics. Scenario analysis is another crucial component. It assesses the impact of different scenarios and variables on a company's financial performance. Changes in revenue growth, operating expenses, interest rates, or market conditions are all variables considered. Sensitivity analysis identifies the sensitivity of financial outcomes to changes in key variables or assumptions, helping to assess the risk and uncertainty associated with a particular investment or decision. And lastly, we have mergers and acquisitions, or M&A. This involves analyzing the financial implications of mergers, acquisitions, and other corporate transactions. Evaluation of synergies, estimation of deal value, and assessment of the financial impact on shareholders are all part of this process. The importance and benefits of financial modeling are vast and wide-ranging. It's an indispensable tool used by analysts, investors, and decision-makers across various industries. It supports strategic planning, investment decisions, and financial management. A well-orchestrated financial model offers valuable insights into a company's operations, helps to identify risks and opportunities, and fosters informed decision-making processes. In essence, financial modeling is a compass guiding financial professionals through the complex landscape of financial analysis and decision-making. It's the keystone of financial prediction and valuation, providing a solid foundation for robust, informed, and strategic financial decisions. For more information, visit our website, www.phinac.com. So the next time you wonder how financial professionals predict a company's future performance, remember, it's all in the model. Visit www.phinac.com.